So students, you are aware, like whenever you are reaching to any reaching point, like if it is a passbook you are reaching, I told you exactly do the same. Now from cash book, your starting point is cash book to passbook or passbook to cash book. Do exactly what is there in the end book. Like if it is deducted, you deduct. If it is added, you add. That is one way of understanding how the cash book or the passbook is been higher and how you are trying to match it with the with both the books. Okay. So we have I have told you like in the earlier like there can be change in the time gap, and also there is the something recorded by the bank. The third difference is what you can see is error and omission. Omission and error. Now this can be done in both the books, either the cash book which we are been doing or the passbook which the bank is doing. Bank can also do some mistakes. At the same time, the cash book what we are doing also can make, there can be also the mistakes. So how we try to adjust that? Again the rule will be exactly the same. Let me repeat again, whatever the transaction exactly what is being done, you have to see first. Then only you can match it or resolve the differences what is there. For example, now here I have taken some 2-3 transactions. Normally what happens, there are many like omissions or errors, something not entered, something entered twice, something undercasted, something overcasted. In both the books it can happen. But when you are trying to match it exactly to what is the other book has done, so you will arrive at that balances. If from cash book is the starting point, whatever you are arriving, that balances you will try to get it. Now here, receipt side of cash book was undercasted by 500. If you see, so if I am starting from cash book, as I told you, like always remember receipt payment. Keep it as a understanding, like how you can start. If you want to remember, if you don't want to remember what need to be added or subtracted, always keep in your book, like you are doing some cash book, you know the receipt and payment, you know the withdrawal and deposit. Receipt side of the cash book was undercasted by 500. So receipt is undercasted means by 500 it is written down. It is written down. Is this book also written down? No, it is high, right? So if we are coming from cash book to passbook, this balance, if it is undercasted, this will be showing as a higher, right? And plus this is a passbook initiated. This item is missing here. This item is missing here, and plus return plus. When receipt side of your cash book was undercasted, you are trying to reach here. You are trying to reach here. So something what is missing? It is not there exactly. So missing one, you also, since it is undercasted, it showed less, so you add it here. So in your bank balance, suppose you are doing bank balance as per your cash book, and you want to arrive at the passbook. So this deposit, you try to add it. Because this 500 is less and you want to add to, because this statement is not less now. You are trying to match it here, right? You are trying to match it here. This is not less. So add that back, that 500. So 500 will be added back to your, to arrive at the, this transaction will be added. This transaction will be added to arrive at your passbook. That's one thing. Second, now again remember these are something being done wrong in both the books. That of the transaction is there. Second, bank had reversed bank charges of 200 wrongly debited earlier. So bank had reversed. What bank is doing now? Let's see here what bank is doing. Passbook is there. In the transaction, what it is doing? And let me repeat that again, whenever you are coming from cash book to passbook, something initiated by the cash book and it's missing in the passbook, we always try to reverse it. That one keep in mind. And in the passbook, since you are reaching at that point, whatever is done, minus or plus, you can do the same. You will arrive at the proper balances. Now, if you are in passbook now bank has what? Bank had reverse bank charges of 200. First, it must have that reverse means it has actually bank charges. What we do? We have to withdraw. This is the bank charges of 200. So the passbook must have gone down, and then they found it as something being wrongly debited. They have found that something been wrongly debited, so they have adjusted. How they can adjust it? Again, they have done that something going on. Okay, so they have adjusted here to 200. Was this happened here? That 200 has come here? No, right? In the receipt side, that 200 has not come here. So when you are going from cash book to passbook, that 200, whatever they have done it, you add it back. So what you will do now? What are the transactions? First you added 500, then you added, these are coming in the add column. Like whenever the cash book they are giving you any balances, you add this. Now 200 is added. So you have to add it. Clear? Now third, bank paid insurance premium of 200, but it was recorded as, the bank paid to insurance premium of 2000, but it was recorded as 200 in the cash book. It was recorded as 200 in the cash book. So insurance premium we showed as 200. Okay. What bank is doing? Bank is showing withdrawal as 2000. Bank paid insurance premium of 2000. How much insurance premium bank is paying, showing in this book is 2000. But it was recorded as 200 in the cash book. It was recorded as, we recorded it as 200 as a cash book. So 1800 withdrawal is done more. And we are coming from cash book to passbook. See, in this book you are arriving again and again. I am telling whatever is being done, we try to do the same. So what you will do now? You less this differences of this. That is 1800. So this way you have to do. Whenever there are omission and errors, many errors are happening in both the books, try to compare the book, but whenever you are coming from the cash book to passbook, exactly do what is done in the passbook. If it is added, you add it for the transactions recorded in the passbook. For the transactions recorded in the passbook, you add whatever is added, you minus whatever is done, minus, because you are arriving there. So if you do exactly the same what the passbook or the bank has done, your bank balance as per passbook will come correct, because your starting point is as per cash book. But for the transaction, it is in passbook has not recorded at all. It has not recorded, something is happening here, there you do the reverse. If it is undercasted, minus, you add it back, 200. How we did here? Receipt side of undercasted by fine. We added it. The question should be why we are adding it, right? So if it is shown less, but in the passbook, since we are coming here and we know like it's not there, so we are adding it back. Correct? So that way you will understand which book is going higher or which book is going lower. If it is going lower, you add it. If it is going higher, you reduce it. But your reaching book should be taken into consideration. This will exactly change. If my bank balance as per passbook is this, I will again change. For me, I will calculate what is happening to my cash book, because my reaching book is what? The cash book. So what is your starting point as per if it is a cash book or it is a passbook, that you have to note it properly. Transactions, read the transactions properly, and then you record it. It will come correct and you will be able to do it very confidently and will understand.